Hello. Bonjour. Konnichiwa. Staying cool in a heat wave is important. Did you know that? The rising temperature across the country poses a threat to people in hot areas and has changed our contemporary way of life, in which staying cool during a heat wave is frequently an economic concern. Rising temperatures deserves full attention. According to the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration PAGASA, the Weather Bureau further cautioned and the public to gear up for even hotter days, as the country's hottest temperatures are usually recorded in May. TAGASA's Climate Monitoring and Predictions Chief, Ana Solis, explained that the heat index refers to what the temperature feels like to the body based on accompanying humidity, as much as it is a fight against a changing climate and the man-made processes that brought it about. Staying cool during a heat wave is frequently an economic concern. To help solve this underlying problem, the team developed a cushion cool. These days, it is unavoidable for the weather to be quite hot. So having a personal portable neck pillow with a fan is essential for reducing the heat. Cushion Cool is a sophisticated neck pillow with a charging fan that fastens to the collar and keeps the person cool as they work in a stuffy setting or sit in the dark. It might be similar to having some air conditioning without the inconvenience, because this fan also functions as a tiny air conditioner. As you can see, it is a wearable, bladeless fan that fits perfectly around the neck. It can be laid securely on the shoulders to enjoy a gentle breeze. It is designed to provide cool air and convenience to everyone, most especially during a heat wave, as well as offers a sophisticated aesthetic appearance that is good for the eyes. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.